Hello everyone, welcome to Unity Byte. So in this video, we are going to see how to withdraw from Unity Byte. So we have to withdraw from Unity Byte as Rax coins, and we are going to move that Rax coin from Unity Byte to Trust Wallet. And from the Trust Wallet, we are going to swap this Rax coin for the BNB as a Smart Chain BNB, and then we are going to use that Smart Chain BNB to go to the GeoTez or any other local exchange to convert that from BNB to INR and make sure we got that INR in our bank account. So let's get started. We already posted some videos about Unity Byte as well as about Rax coin. So how this Unity Byte works and how to deposit, even what are the website features, everything we have updated in that video. So if you can see that, then you might get a good idea about what is this Unity Byte and what is this Rax coin, if in case you are seeing this video as the very first. So let's get started. So today price, one Rax coin is equal to $1.01. That is $1.1 its cost around today. So let's see how we gonna withdraw this Rax coin. In order to withdraw the Rax coin, we have to update our Rax coin wallet address in the profile of the Unity Byte. So we have to get that wallet address from the Trust Wallet and we have to update that here in the Unity Byte. For updating that Rax coin wallet address, go to this button, which is a menu button, and from this menu you can have all these options: dashboard, profile, downline, award, mail, and everything, etc. So first click on this profile. In profile you can have this first column as profile and next one will be your BEP20 Rax wallet. So click on this BEP20 Rax wallet. Here you have to update your BEP20 Rax coin wallet address. So we have to get this wallet address. For that, go to your Trust Wallet. So this is my Trust Wallet. So if you are not aware how to create a wallet in Trust Wallet, I have already posted a video regarding that. You can get a good update in that video. So in this Trust Wallet, see here, we don't have a Rax coin. First we have to import Rax coin in this multi-coin wallet. For that we need a Rax coin contract address. So where we are going to get this contract address? First we have to go to this Rax coin official website, that is raxcoin.io. In this website, see here, so here we have the Rax coin contract address. So copy this address. Once you copy this address, go to your Trust Wallet. So here at very right top corner you can find this 2 arrow mark symbol. Click on this. Here you have to search the token. I'm searching as the RAGX Rax coin, so it won't come. So then add custom token. Once you click on custom token, you have to make sure the network here is not Ethereum, it's Smart Chain, because Rax coin runs under the BEP20 platform, which is a Binance Smart Chain platform. So you have to click this network and change that to Smart Chain. Once you change that to Smart Chain, click this paste button, then your Rax coin contract address will get pasted and automatically this name, symbol and decimals, everything will come here, and click done button. Once you did that, your Rax coin is getting updated. So see here, now in the wallet your Rax coin is available. So you have to copy this Rax coin address, which is the Rax coin wallet address. So click on this Rax coin and click on receive and click on this copy button. Your address is getting copied. Now go to Unity Byte website. Here, right here, paste this contract address and click on this OTP option. Once you click on that OTP option, an OTP will be sent to your email. You have to go to your email and copy that OTP and paste here and click on save button. So let me do that. I have copied and pasted my OTP here. So if in case you are not received any OTP in your mail, go and check on your spam folder. Sometimes these mails comes under the spam. So once you click on here, then click save button. Once you click on save button, your address has been successfully saved. Now go to your home page, that is the dashboard, and scroll down a little bit. So below you can find your deposit address details and then deposit. After that you have here withdrawal option. So withdrawal is available only on 5th, 15th and 25th only. So you can withdraw within these 3 days only. So here at the withdrawal option, you can find the minimum withdrawal will be the $10 and multiples of 10 only you can able to withdraw, which is 10, 100, 1000. Likewise only you can able to withdraw. So here in withdrawal option, the withdrawal will take 24 hours to get credited in your wallet, to get reflected in your wallet. So at here in the withdrawal option, my name is automatically come here and my wallet address that we updated in our profile is popped up here. So right now I'm gonna withdraw $10. So once you click on $10, you see here there are 9.18 Rax coin will come here. So currently I'm not having that much income balance. I'm having only $4.5, so I can't able to withdraw right now. So but I'm gonna show how it's done. So once you entered all these details, again click on this OTP option, then an OTP will be sent to your mail ID. You have to copy that OTP and paste it here like we did on this profile page, and then click on withdrawal button. Withdrawal button will be available on 5th, 15th and 25th only. So once you did that, your Rax coin will get withdrawal from here from the website, and it been sent to your trust wallet here. So in this column you will get your Rax coin. So once you received here, now we gonna swap this Rax coin for the BNB. In order to do that, we need an exchange. So our Rax coin has already been listed in the PancakeSwap. So go to this dApps option. Once you come into the dApps option, just scroll down a little bit. Here under the DeFi, you are having this PancakeSwap. Click on this PancakeSwap. Once it's loaded, you have to make sure this PancakeSwap is in this Smart Chain network, not into the Ethereum network. Sometimes it will be in Ethereum network. You have to make sure it's in the Smart Chain network. If it's not, you can click here and change that to Ethereum or Smart Chain. Which network you want, you can go ahead and change that. So once you did that, we need to move our Rax coin to pop up here. For that, we need Rax coin contact address. So we can go ahead and copy this contact address from the Rax coin official website. Here I'm going to copy that again. Now go to your trust wallet. From the dApps, in the from column, it's already been BNB here. So here to the two columns, click a currency as select a currency and paste your contract address. Then Rax coin will come here. So click that. So right now we are not going to purchase Rax coin. We are going to swap Rax coin for the BNB. To do that, click on this arrow mark in middle. Then it will get turned out like Rax coin will be moved to front and BNB will be moved to 2. So here I'm going to exchange Rax coin for the BNB. For $10, it will comes around 9 Rax coin. So for the 9 Rax coin, it will be around 0.0265 BNB I will get. So likewise, you can swap your Rax coin to the BNB. I don't have enough Rax coin. That's why it's showing as insufficient Rax coin balance. So once you have enough Rax coin, if you click on here approve, and approval message will pop up. You need to give confirm. Then it will get confirmed, and your Rax coin will be swapped, and your Smart Chain BNB will added in your wallet right here. So from here you can move this Smart Chain BNB to GeoTest, Zip, or any other local exchange. Even in the Binance also you can move from Trust Wallet, and you can exchange that to the INR. So this is the method how you withdraw your Rax coin from the UnityByte website to your Trust Wallet, and from the Trust Wallet with the PancakeSwap you can swap this Rax coin, and then with the help of your local exchange like GeoTest, Zip, or any other local exchange, even from the Binance, you can turn this Smart Chain BNB into the INR, and we can directly get that INR to our bank account. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video might be useful. So let's catch up with the new upcoming video with lots of update about the UnityByte. So thank you. Bye bye.